Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you are doing fine. Guys, I will be teaching you how to toast turkey in the oven. Those are the ingredients you need to use to make your toasting turkey. Here are turkey. I have rosemary and I have this as well, Maggi. I have you see it, this is what I will use to put the turkey. See you guys later. Okay guys, here is everything. I mixed everything already. There is pepper, salt, Maggi, rosemary, everything is inside here already. So now I have to mix it. I will put it inside the turkey now. Let's get started. Okay guys, I mix it already. Everything is here. So now I have to put it in fry pan. I want to put it in the oven now. Now I will be putting. Okay guys, everything is here now. It's going to the oven. You see it. It's going to be yummy. It's nice. It's going to be yummy. See you guys later. I will show you the result of my turkey later. Okay guys, my food is ready. This is the result of my toasted turkey. It looks so yummy. Thank you guys for joining me. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have subscribed before. Thank you and God bless you. Bye.